Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change username on X. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the X application. Once opened, locate and click on your profile picture at the top left. Then scroll down, click on Settings and Support to open the menu, and then click on Settings and Privacy. Once you select Settings and Privacy, go ahead and select your account. Then under your account, locate and click on Account Information. Once you click on Account Information, locate and click on Username. Now delete the existing username and then type in another username. If the username is available, then you should see the username is available. Now go ahead and click on the Done button and then you are good. Once you hit the Done button, this is going to change your username on X. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.